My name is Kerry Siggins, and I'm the CEO of Stone Age Water Blast Tools. We're doing so many amazing things here, and I look at the fantastic employees that we have, and I feel a deep sense of responsibility for helping create a great work environment where they all feel like they can share in the success of the company and achieve their life goals, and that's really an inspiring place to come from. When you see everybody here working so hard to try to build a great team, and I think for a long time I used to believe that if I couldn't be perfect at something, that I either was a failure or that it wasn't worth doing. And life is messy. Stepping into the messiness of life rather than trying to fight against it, that's where the good stuff happens. But I don't beat myself up for not doing everything perfectly anymore, because every day I get to come to work at Stone Age, and I'm so excited and inspired to do my very best for the 165 of us that we have around the world.